My name is Lindsey Rodigue. I'm from Tallahassee, Florida, and my daughter, Emma Kate, is the patient, and she had a Gons osteotomy and a labral repair out at Skyridge in Denver with doctors Hugate and Ellman. My daughter is a track runner, and she kept telling me in preseason that her hip was bothering her. We need to get this looked at, before track season starts. Scheduled her an appointment with a sports medicine doctor, but doesn't specialize in hips, but he ordered the MRI, sent us over to his partner, but then he also started just putting a little bug in my ear about Dr. Ellman out in Colorado. When you're coming out for surgery, it was very intimidating, and the concierge service just helped put it all together. I would have had no idea anything, I know how to book a plane reservation and how to, rent a car. So they were helpful in just the guidance of how long you're going to be in the hospital, what the services you guys offer at Skyridge. The hospital was just amazing from beginning to end. I have worked in several hospitals. I know how, hospitals can work. It was from just the guy checking us in when we walked in. He was so sweet to my daughter. He said, "Oh, I have a sister your age." Everybody made it personal, from walking in to just meeting the guy, putting an armband on her. Having staff that know what's going on and they know how to help your family member you just can't put a price on that. They have tons of patients that have the surgery. There were 5. Dr. Hugate and Ellman did 5 the day they did my daughter's. She's doing well. She's a senior in high school. She's running in her senior track season. To me, when I see my daughter run around the track, knowing she has had her pelvis cut in 3 places and has 3 screws in her hip, it's a proud moment to see that as a mom. It was not my priority for her to be able to run her senior track season. I wanted her to be a healthy, functioning adult. And the fact that she gets to run that's all she cared about. I can't say enough good things about Skyridge Hospital, and I felt like we were in exactly the right place we needed to be for her.